Hey everyone, thank you so much for the opportunity. So I want to show you quickly how I want to use my DDL to show you how DDL is used. The DDL, the data defined language, is really important to it help us to define the name, to rename table names, to insert informations on the table, to create table and create database. So I started with create table here, create table Linux with the columns ID, the integer, not null. System is another columns. And after creating the first table, I create another table, create table windows, and with the ID and the system column. I will use after the command create, I have this command alter. Alter table will help me to modify or to add something on the table, so, on the column. And now I use alter table Linux. Linux is the name of the table. I had the email column and not null on the table. I use again the alter table to add the email on the Windows table. If we go here, you can see I'm in exercise database and the Linux table is there. So if you can see on the columns, we have ID, system, and email. So now, after the alter comment, I wanna add some keys. I will use the same comment alter table Linux add constraint primary key on the ID columns, and I had again the primary key on the Windows, another table, alter table, add constraints primary key. For the I want to insert the foreign key. Here I use insert into Windows. I had the column and value, the value 1. If I go on Windows table, we have Windows table there. We can see in the column we have just ID and system, because I dropped here alter table Windows drop colon email. I dropped the email columns here. But for the foreign key, I will use the alter command, alter table, and I'll use the Linux table add constraint fk Linux, and I will specify on ID I will specify foreign key ID reference again ID. This is the command that I would like to use. This is the command that will help me to add a key. We have here the pk, but on Linux we have pk and fk. I create case under the column because I want to set a name and I can delete that very easily. So let me try to select all from table. Let execute. Here we have the columns, but if I change with Windows, because I had some value there, up, we have values 1 and wins on system. So let me show you now my W2 school learning, my progress. So I'm continuing with two course SQL and my learning SQL. So with my learning SQL, I'm on 20%. Let me see. Yes, there are some courses that is in progress because I want to improve again my understanding of this course. Yeah, this is my progress, and if I do continue, I learned some many things, and I did some exercises. Okay, thank you so much. I was very happy to show you my progress, and this is very happy. I'm looking for the exercises. Yes, for the exercises I did so many exercises.